Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Smashing Maths Problems with MRT Maths. So let me just do a quick recap. In the last two episodes, we have looked at guess and check and assumption. So today I'm going to show you how to solve this assumption question in less than 5 seconds. Yes, less than 5 seconds. I kid you not. So let's get right down to it. So the inspiration for doing this video came from watching one China Maths guru's video, and he actually explained how we can solve such questions in less than 5 seconds. So after watching his video, I was very intrigued, and it took me a while to figure it out. So let me just unpack the method for you, and hopefully it will be a useful tool for you to check your assumption questions. But just a reminder for everyone, this method only works for items that involves 2 and 4. Okay, 2 and 4. So it will not work, for example, for 1 and 3. So what do I mean by 2 and 4? As we know, cows have 4 legs and birds have 2 legs. So it works for such questions. It will not work for if you are dealing with assumption questions involving cars and tricycles, because we know that cars have 4 wheels, tricycle 3 wheels. Then this so-called super shortcut method, it will not work so well. Okay, so let us do our annotation. So there are some cows and birds. So we know that there are cows and birds. We know that cows have 4 legs, and we know that birds have 2 legs. Okay, and the next thing is that there are a total of 35 heads. So 35, it means that there are 35 animals, but they have 110 legs. So they are asking us for how many cows and how many birds. So are you all ready for the 5 seconds for this super shortcut method? It goes like this. Step 1, take the total legs, divide it by 2, you get 55. Step 2, take the 55, minus away the total heads, and you have 20. So when they ask me for how many cows are there, I found the answer. So for cows, there are 20 cows, and for birds, there will be 35 minus 20 to give us 15. Then you'll be wondering, is my answer really correct? Okay, so let us do a very quick check. So for cows, if there are 20 cows, okay, this is checking already. So now I'm checking. So 20 times 4, 80 legs from the cows. And if there are 15 birds, 15 times 2 legs, 30 legs from the birds. Lo and behold, 80 adding 30, it indeed gives us 110 legs. Okay, so yes, this is the super shortcut method. If you wish to figure out how come it's so amazing, so miraculous, the hint that I want to drop for everyone has got to do with algebra. Okay, so if you are interested, try to use algebra, especially for the parents and the teachers who are viewing this. Use algebra and you should be able to uncover the magic that was shared today. So as mentioned, it is a very short video. So cows, we have 20, and birds, we have 15. And all in all, there are altogether 35 animals. Okay, so we have come to the end of this super short episode. Thank you for watching Smashing Maths Problems with MRT Maths. This is Teacher Ray signing off. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye bye, take care.